Since the turn of the century, the garment industry has been in crisis. Competitive pressure has skyrocketed, resulting in low productivity, shrinking profit margins, and rapidly escalating labor costs. The convergence of these realities threatens the livelihood of more than 30 million garment workers throughout Southeast Asia.
If you think about the garment business in Asia, Southeast Asia, some of the challenges that they've had over time is the constant price pressure. And what that translates to is in typically lower wages, which means that you'll see high turnover, constantly training people, constantly relearning the jobs. That manifests itself even deeper into quality problems.
Over the past 25 years, thousands of manufacturers have transformed their businesses through operational excellence. Lean management is a way to protect revenues and profit margins threatened by economic or competitive crisis. The garment industry's dilemma begs for the improvements that lean management creates. Rapid productivity and stable profitability enable companies to reinvest in their plants and employees. It's all powered by operational excellence. In 2011, the C&A Foundation launched the Sustainable Supplier Program.
C&A Foundation was founded in 2011. Its main task is to support sustainable development and to offer better long-term prospects for people and communities worldwide. It has two focus areas: charitable giving around the retail store operations in Europe, and a broader supply chain initiative which aims to improve social, environmental, and economic development in supply chains and beyond.
The Sustainable Supplier Program is a way to go out, work with people that have signed up to participate, and first drive productivity, economic value in the company, and at the same time build a safer, more environmentally friendly workplace, and ultimately drive a higher wage content without actually trading wages for profit.
Early participants in the Sustainable Supplier Program were Indonesian garment manufacturers Potexco and Sembiri. Initially, company leaders were skeptical that lean methodologies could be an effective strategy for improving performance.
Me, myself, and the factory owner was actually not yet impressed with what lean is all about. But finally, when we saw how lean works, when we visited a factory in Sri Lanka, we thought that it was such a remarkable achievement they made.
In the beginning, right, the general manager of this facility, Sembiri, Semarang, he was kind of skeptical. As soon as we did the first Kaizen, everything changed. They did not believe what they were seeing.
And we were able to raise the output per piece quite considerably.
Before, the production is only 55%. But after the Kaizen event, we suddenly dramatically increased to 70%. And also the quality, we dropped the quality from the 70% to 3%, 2%, and now we are on 1% quality defect.
The people who were working on the line itself could not believe the output that they were turning out. But actually, we told them, with all the supervisors, this is the actual output. You can achieve it.
So it was a great motivation emotionally for our employees. Our turnover was quite high. So when this was implemented, we can see a lot of good changes.
You have to start with the mindset that people are the only appreciating asset in the business. And so you put people ahead of everything else that you do.
The amazing things that I've seen so far is the mindset of the supervisor and chief change into the positive attitude, more energy.
I feel that I'm more responsible, more motivated, and more powerful, and I am responsible to make a decision, whether it's small or big.
When we actually did the first Kaizen, the reaction of the people was really tremendous. They so much so that there were a lot of people from other lines who were coming to us, coming to me, in fact, asking me, when are you going to do lean in my line?
Dampak positifnya,
The positive impacts are we can go home earlier, achieve targets, improve our cooperation, and throw away our selfishness, because we help each other between operators.
The Sustainable Supplier Program helps garment manufacturers improve competitiveness in this complex global economy. And this leads to improved social conditions in the factories. It is achievable.
Without fail, every time we get somewhere between 20 and 50% more output by making it flow together and making everybody work in synchronized fashion and everybody working independently.
With our positive results in our Semarang Ungaran factory, we actually have expanded our lean project to our Jakarta factories. So this is our long-term strategy. We feel that lean would be an important step towards coping with the current situation.
The C&A Foundation supports the cost of supplier participation and in turn requires that suppliers meet milestones for financial performance and employee betterment. TBM is a lead consultant partner working with the C&A Foundation to drive operational excellence and social improvements. The overriding goal is to bring participating suppliers up to best-in-class performance levels.
And at the end of the day, that's what it's really about, is how do you drive results for the business and the people that work in it.
Learn how C&A Foundation's Sustainable Supplier Program can transform the financial performance, social and working conditions, and ultimately the lives of people working in your business.